Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about domestic Electrolux vapor absorption cycle. In this cycle, we have the three fluids. First one is the ammonia, which is used as a refrigerant. Second one is the hydrogen, which is used as a inert gas in this case. This hydrogen gas is the lightest gas and it is basically used to increase the rate of evaporation of liquid ammonia passing through the evaporator. Now third one is the water, which is used as a absorbent because it has a strong affinity with the ammonia vapors and therefore it can absorb the ammonia vapors readily. Now it has the different part. The first part is the absorber. Inside the absorber we have the availability of water. The ammonia vapors which are coming out from the evaporator gets mixed in the water and makes a strong solution. This strong solution further goes to the generator. Inside the generator, we have a availability of some heating element like gas burner, so which provides the heat to the generator. Now, after receiving the heat from the gas burner, ammonia liquid gets changed into the vapor form and water still remain in the liquid form and goes back to the absorber. Further, if there are still presence of some water particles along with the ammonia vapors, these water particles gets eliminated with the help of this rectifier. The reason behind applying or installing this rectifier in this system is to eliminate any possibility of the presence of the water vapors, because if the water vapors further goes to the unit after the condensation, the choking of the system takes place. So it is necessary to avoid the entry of the water vapor to the evaporator. So now after the rectifiers we have the ammonia vapors. These ammonia vapors after passing through the condenser gets converted into the liquid ammonia. Now when this liquid ammonia enters inside the evaporator, as the hydrogen is also entering inside the evaporator, this hydrogen is a very light gas and it is an inert gas. So the presence of the hydrogen results into the reduction in the overall pressure of this evaporator units according to the Dalton law of partial pressure. So when this liquid ammonia enters inside this evaporator units, it gets evaporated by absorbing the latent heat from the vicinity or the neighborhood, hence provide the cooling inside this evaporator unit. Now further, the ammonia liquid changes into the ammonia vapor in this evaporator. So the ammonia and hydrogen goes inside this absorber. One of the important properties of hydrogen is it does not dissolve inside the water and it is non-corrosive in nature. So this hydrogen gas moves back to the evaporator unit. Further, the ammonia vapor mixed inside this water and form a liquid solution which is the strong solution, and this strong solution goes to the this generator assembly and this cycle goes on repeating. So here we have installed a heat exchanger. The main reason of providing this heat exchanger in this assembly between the generator and absorber unit is that, as we know, the weak solution, that is the water solution, is carrying the higher heat along with it, and this heat is just a waste amount of heat, and inside this strong solution we require the higher heat. So by installing the heat exchanger, the heat exchange takes place between the weak solution and the strong solution. So the strong solution gets the higher heat, so less heat is required in this generator assembly by installing the heat exchanger. So the overall performance of the system is increased by using these accessories such as heat exchanger and rectifier. Further, the advantages of these systems, as we can see, there is no use of pump in this system. So due to the absence of any moving part, the operation of this system is noise free. Further, we are using the hydrogen gas, which plays a important role in this overall system, and this gas is a very cheaper gas, so it is easily available, and this system is also a leak proof system. there is no chance of any leakage. Further, there is low maintenance cost due to absence of any moving part, and there is no need of valve in this system. Apart from some advantages, there are some disadvantages associated with this Electrolux refrigerator system. First of all, disadvantage is it is more complicated in construction and working. It has low coefficient of performance. The major disadvantage of this system is that if the system is spoiled once, it cannot be repaired and therefore system has to be replaced fully. Further, it cannot be used for industrial purposes due to its lower coefficient of performance. So this is the overall domestic Electrolux system. Hope you understand the topic. If you have any query regarding the domestic Electrolux refrigerator system, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you very much for watching my video.